Alright, so hi everyone. So this is our app, our progress that we've made so far. So right off the bat, the app will prompt you to log in first. So the purpose of logging in is so that the user can save and contribute recipes. Right, so we'll go to this login now. Right, so if the user just wants to use the app quickly, we can just allow him to just sign in as a guest. So at the moment, there's a few functions that has not yet been coded out. One of them is the saved and the contribute function due to time constraint. There is a simple tutorial page, and about page is basically just the credits. So let's get started. So the user will be prompted to select the type of dish. So let's say he wants to select main dish, right? So now my friend Park would talk about the selection pages.
So once you click on the particular type of food that you want to cook, you'll be faced with several options for you to input your ingredient that you have. So our first option will be the base, which is bread, rice, noodles, and pasta. So let's say I go with pasta for this case. So after you're done with the selection, you press the next button, and then after that is meat, type of meat that you have. So I'll choose chicken and beef. Next, and then they'll prompt, and then the app will prompt you about the fruits that you have. So I always store strawberry, and then vegetables, asparagus, and then the spread such as butters, chocolate spread, and jam. I'll go with jam for this one. Yeah, and salt, eggs, pepper for miscellaneous ingredients. Yeah, and also for your information, you don't have to make selection for each category. You can just press next if you don't have anything at that specific category. Yeah. So after you're done with all your selections, you'll be you press the process button. Yeah. So once you press it, what will happen is that it will match the most matching ingredient on our database. To your input. So, and it will show the top 3 most matching ingredient recipe. Yeah. So after the entering is done, there will be a show recipe button. So once you click on it, so this entire screen will be shown. So you'll be first shown the ingredients that you selected, and then the top 3 most matching recipe. The top left one is the most matching one, followed by the second one and the third one. So basically the topmost row is the title of the recipe, and the second row is basically the ingredients that you need for you to cook this food. And then you can click onto the click here button in order for you to look at the full recipe. So in this case, since this recipe is taken from a third-party website, it'll redirect you to this website where it shows the entire process and the recipe, full recipe. But let's say if one of the recipes that is most matching is from the user input and from our own database, we will have our own platform or website in order to show the entire recipe. But this has not been implemented yet because we have not done so yet. Yeah, that's it. And you can press return button in order to go back to the title screen. Yeah, thank you.
That's all.